Hello, I am at Thornton Creek. I'm at 8616 Southwest Sand Crane Circle, and this is lot 50. Alright, let me show you the roadside view first. It's got that great metal roof. Nice curb appeal with the cute landscaping there. Alright, it has a nice big backyard. And if you have a dog, this is a great backyard. You could put up more landscaping and you could have a natural privacy barrier all the way around. And this gorgeous yard for your little furry baby to play in, which is what I would do. I'm one of those, I'd do anything for my dog. Okay, so entering in this front door here, we've got this great living room and nice kitchen. All nice and open. And this great screen lanai back here too. This is a good one. It's got nice tall ceilings, and then look at the nice wood flooring they actually have on the ceilings, and then they have this bump up tray ceiling here. These ceilings are very, very tall. This is a really nice unit. Okay, and here's the bathroom. Beautiful. And there's me, Dina Sowers. All right, here's the toilet. Look at this nice roomy shower. Love this. Oh, I don't know why it's, come on, focus up. All right, there we go. Great shower. And it's got the controls right there for the shower, and then the shower head itself is over there, so you don't have to get scalded or frozen while you're waiting for your shower to warm up to the right temperature. Tons of tall storage here in this linen closet. Lots of roomy storage here too. And then here's the bedroom. It's a nice soft gray. And it's pretty roomy. So they have 2 twins in here and then a nightstand. So they have plenty of room for a king if that's what you prefer. And then they also have a dresser. So this is a pretty roomy unit. Okay, and then this nice huge closet here. Tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of storage. Love that. Okay, and then I think there is, I'm not sure how to get there. Okay, so I think there's a separate, yeah, there's a separate garage here. Let me open that up. All right, so the garage is separate. And, you know, it's attached to the building, but it's a separate area. They got a washer and dryer in here, and it's plenty of room for a golf cart in here, or your motorcycle, or whatever you want to put in here. And then up there is the attic access. Right up there. So, very nice unit. This is in Thornton Creek Motorcoach Resort. This is 8616 Southwest Sand Crane Circle. And again, I'm Dina Sowers. Dina Sowers, look for the flowers. My cute car with all the flowers. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.